multiplication of a trinomial with monomial, that equal to 3x into 4x square minus 3x into 3x plus 3x into 5, that equal to 3 4s are 12x cube, x into x square x cube, minus 3x into 3x, 3 3s are 9, x into x square plus 3x into 5, 15x. One more example, it is binomial with binomial. 3x minus 2 multiply with 4x plus 7. Here, for this one, 3x into the second bracket 4x plus 7 minus 2 into 4x plus 7, that equal to 3x into 4x. 3 4s are 12, x into x square plus 3x into 7, 21x minus 2 into 4x, 8x minus 2 into plus 7, minus into plus minus 2 into 7, 14. Here these two are like terms, so we have to simplify those two. So 12x square plus 21 minus 8 plus 13x minus 14. A multiplication of trinomial with binomial. 3x minus 2 into 4x cube minus 5x square plus 3. This is equal to 3x into second bracket. 3x into second bracket minus 2 into the second bracket. 4x cube minus 5x square plus 3. Each and every term of this trinomial multiply with 3x. 3x into 4x cube. 3 4s are 12. X into x cube, x power 4. Next, 3x into 5x square. 3 5s are 15. X into x square, x cube. Plus 3 3s are 9. X. Minus 2 into plus 4x cube. Minus 8x cube. Minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 x square minus 2 into plus 3 minus 6. Now if you are observing here, 2 x cube terms are there, minus 15x cube and minus 8x cube. On simplifying those two, minus 15 minus 8 minus 23x cube, next plus 10x square plus 9x minus 6. This is the solution.